has the power. But do you think a human has that much power? The power that other thing can contain. I'm talking about the spirits. The spirits are the most powerful one of this world. If you would care by any spirit in the hand of any spirit, I am sure, I'm damn sure that you can never let go out of that. So, hey everyone, this is me, RJ Nupur, and today we are here with a team of Kunimande. And today, we all people are gonna recite a story basically on the spirit, and we'll tell you the thing that most of people are doing in today's era, just troubling the spirits because they don't believe on them. So today I'm here and my team is here to tell you that spirits are for real and they are not a joke, they are for real, and what the result will be if you are gonna trouble any spirit. Let's see the result and let's listen the story. So basically, once upon a time, there were the three friends decided to go on the trip. They sat in the bus and then their bus was not so good in good condition so that it became destroyed and their whole picnic was. Now let's see what happened in this story and what can be the result if you will trouble the spirit.
That before this, our next 8th class students have come and they had clicked a photo and
Yes, bro.
they are
Also,
wild in the whole day school.
I listened this story, bro. You see the lake. The two friends went to their lake, and they become popular.
Should we also?
Yes, I think so.
It's
When everyone sleep, then I go then I near go then I go the lake.
It's looking very far, bro.
But brother, we are click some photos and after that we come.
Okay, you are saying so. But once we should try. Okay, let us. Bro, where is the lake? We are traveling since 1 hour.
Yes, bro. There are.
Where is the lake? I'm not getting where is the lake.
I don't know, bro.
Just on your flashlight.
And see, bro, there is no signal in my phone.
Show me. Is there no signal?
Yes, bro. This place is so scary. I think so.
We should go ahead or return.
Yes, bro. I think
Let's
we
return.
should. Okay.
Just on the flashlight.
Yes.
Go use flashlight. Where is the path? Bro, I think we have forgotten the path.
Yes, bro.
How we will go? From where we had come?
Bro, I don't think so, bro. This place is so scary.
No, bro. It's looking very scary. Just we should see.
I think here someone is coming in my area, and now I will control all of them. Here I will take revenge from all of them who killed me. There I was living very peacefully in my house. I was living alone, but these greedy people not left me.
Bro, it's very scary.
Yes, bro. Go, bro. Go. Go. Go, bro. Go. Yes. Where is my friend? Oh no. Oh no. Where is my friend? I can't go the hotel without my friend. I think so. We should find my friend. Hey, bro.
Who are you?
What happened, bro?
Just go from here.
What are you, bro? What happened? Why
Just
you are
go
beat
from
me,
here.
brother? Why are you beat me, bro? Are you fine,
I don't know who are you.
bro? I am your friend.
Who are you?
I am your friend, bro.
Just
What
go.
happened?
Otherwise I kill you.
What? What happened, bro? What happened? Are you fine? Are you fine, bro?
Just you go from here.
Come, bro. Come.
Now let me go my
Come.
home.
We.
Wait. Just let me go.
Have you seen that what happened with birth? But after that, do you know what happened? Because when, when they were going center of the forest. They didn't get any types of lag which they want. But after that, you have seen that one person suddenly disappeared, and they want to he want to kill their friend. But after that they were running from the anywhere because of that they were not getting any ways to go anywhere. And after that they reached at the scary palace, and after that you will get to see.
So, after the so much hazardous situation, the two boys, when they were traveling, as we seen in the story, they caught by a ghost, and his friend is possessed by some unknown entity. Now, let's see how the one friend from the duo has died.
Just,
But I don't know, bro.
I think someone has controlled over me.
Yes, bro. I know also.
Yes, I am feeling very bad now.
I think so. I came our hotel. Bro.
Yes,
Yes,
we
bro.
should go. Oh, bro,
Bro, we are
we are
reach.
finding
We are
this
reach.
place.
Yes, bro. But this place is so scary. I
Bro,
don't
now what? Should we click the photos?
know, bro. I am so scary.
So what's happened? What you have seen?
I think so. We get out. We get a hotel.
should go?
Yes, bro.
Okay, we should run away from
Yes,
here.
bro.
Yes. Oh no, bro, just save me.
Bro. Eh, what the hell, bro?
There is something in the
Save-
water. There is something in the water.
Oh no! I help me,
There's something in the
help!
water.
Save me, save!
Bro, just you
save! Save,
Just
bro!
you go from here.
Save, bro! मेरे को
Just you go from here.
save, bro! Save!
Everyone is pulling me, bro. There is someone in the water.
Save, bro! Save me, bro! Please save
Just
me, bro!
go and call the help for me, please. I need the help. I want to live a life. I don't want to dead.
I don't.
Just
I can't find my bro. I am so scary.
And guys, after the river situation, we can't see his and his friend. The friend is dead. From the situation, his friend came to some help, but the ghost gave him no chance, and he took his life. And now we can see in this situation, a guy lost his life, and the situation is so hazardous that we can see the people who live in the village, they want to adapt the old granny money and the land, but the greediness killed someone innocent life, and now she became a ghost, a deadly ghost, who whenever someone goes to the river on night, she killed anyone. So thank you.